I'm ready. Where y'all coming from? Please let that be the planes.
I found a pencil. Dirty pencil. I found a pencil in the dirt. Who left the pencil in the dirt?
Back there, yep.
So
Let me take out all the dry sand for you. Sit in the dry stuff, though.
Dry
Right here.
stuff.
Right there.
It's a big town. It's already big. I'm putting stuff on it.
Is that the Wendy's?
Oh, they way up there. Look at all the planes. Are they getting close?